Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Healthy Kitchen Wizard, where healthy meets delicious. Today, we're making something that's gonna brighten your day and fill your belly. So come with me. The name is Mediterranean Sunshine Chicken. So let me show you my ingredients. I have tender chicken breast that's already cut up and sauteed, celery, I have fresh spinach that's already washed, beautiful sugar bomb tomatoes, tiny bit of Parmesan cheese, onions, and of course fresh garlic and a little bit of ginger. So we have our pasta and the water is boiling, and so we're going to put the pasta in because this takes a few minutes. While the pasta is boiling, I'll saute the chicken. Now I'm using a extra virgin olive oil. It's flavored with paprika. Now this chicken is already cooked, so we're just going to put it in here. Some salt, some pepper, onions, garlic and ginger, celery in, that smells awesome already. Okay, our chicken is nicely sauteed. We're going to add the tomatoes, beautiful fresh spinach, and give that a quick stir. And of course we'll add the pasta.
Wait.
How beautiful is that? Now we'll let it saute for two to 3 minutes. Oh yeah. All done, just like that. Now all we're gonna do is sprinkle some Parmesan cheese over it, and you're done. Now that didn't take long at all. And here you have it, my friends. Mediterranean sunshine chicken. Ready in minutes and looking like you spent the afternoon in the kitchen. This is a perfect lunch, but the recipe will be in the bottom. All you have to do is hit more. Let's do a taste test. And it is hot. Now I like a little extra cheese on mine, so there you go. Now for the best part. Look at that. Oh. I want to get a tomato in there. Okay. Mmm. Mmm. That was fabulous. The fresh spinach and the chicken and the right seasoning, it all came together and married, and it's just so tasty. You know, this is the part where when you're cooking, your kitchen smells like you're cooking all day, when in fact it's only a few minutes. And it's so healthy. Thank you all so very much for watching and spending your time with me today. I really appreciate you.